There are a lot of videos out there that claims to teach you how to create Gmail account without phone number verification. Most of them are, clickbait, right? No, I'm not saying it is not possible. It is possible, right? But most of the time, it doesn't really work as they claim, because sometimes you try and it works. Okay, so in this video I have laid down some rules, okay, that you when you put it together, it will help you to create Gmail account without phone number verification, right? So I'm going to walk you through all the rules, and I'm going to walk you through the process. And when you follow the rules and follow the process, you can create a free Gmail account without phone number verification. You are going to bypass that. This is SAS Media Studio. Make sure you subscribe. If you are new, you leave a comment at the comment section. Let's get started. Rule number one: make sure you use a new browser, right? Fresh browser. Or better, so you can use a new profile. So you just click on your profile and you click on add Chrome profile, right? And use a new profile or new browser. Good. Now, the second thing is that make sure your IP address is not messed up, it's not blacklisted. Most of you have used your PC to send a lot of spam emails, bulk emails, and it has affected your IP addresses. And when you're creating an account with such an IP address, Gmail sees it and be like, this guy or this IP has been spamming. So basically this guy is going to use our Gmail to do stuff we don't want, right? So make sure your IP is not blacklisted. Now, if you want me to create a special video on how to check if your IP address has been blacklisted, leave it at the comment section. Now, if you want to avoid checking the IP address being blacklisted, you can use a VPN, right? So I've already created a video on how you can get free Proton VPN, right? So I'll leave the link at the description. Go and check that video out. Create your Proton VPN and just turn it on. The second thing is, don't be smart, just be natural, right? Don't try to be smart, just be a natural being. Okay, yes, so that's it, because there are a lot of mechanisms Google has created to figure out bots. So if they figure that you are a bot, they are going to demand strict registration procedure, right? The last one is to make sure you haven't used your PC, your IP address, your browser to create account in the last 2 months or maybe last month, right? So let's say if you are in November, make sure you haven't used it to create an account in November, right? So that is it. So you just have to know this rule and follow this rule, and you are going to create a free Gmail account without phone number verification. And we're going to walk through this. So now all we have to do is visit google.com. I'm using a new profile, so I'm just going to click on Gmail over here, and I'm going to click on create an account. Then I'm going to choose for my personal use. You can use for work whatever you want. I'm going to use personal use, and I'm going to fill in my information. So I'm done, and I am going to click next. That I'm going to enter I'm going to select my gender and enter my date of birth, right? So I'm going to choose male. I'm not a female and I'm not a goat, right? Yes, I'm going to choose any month and day, then any all right, and I'm going to click next. All right, so now as you can see, it say choose your Gmail address. Well, I prefer you choose what has been suggested for you, right? So I'm going to choose, this one. I'm going to click next, and I am going to enter my password, and I'm going to click next. And as you can see, it is saying I should add recovery email. So that means I have bypassed the phone number verification. This is not magic. This is rules. Just follow the rules and you can do that. So I'm not going to add any recovery phone number. I'm just going to add recovery email, and I'm going to click on skip. And you can see this is it, right? So I'm going to click next and scroll down, click I agree. All right, and this is perfect. So we have been able to create a Gmail account without phone number verification. Once it works, you can keep on trying to create and create it, because I remember I did this right using my phone, and I was able to create like more than 7 Gmails without phone number verification. Right. So you can keep on trying until you are asked to enter phone number. Then you have to wait for, yeah, the next time, maybe in the next month or next 2 months, then follow the same rules again and try again. Now this is not the only method. I already have a video on how you can create bulk Gmail address, Gmail accounts, right, using foreign phone numbers, and I have created a video on how to create free foreign phone numbers, and I've made a video on how you can use that to create the bulk emails, right? So make sure you check those videos at the description. Make sure you subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn how to create an SMTP server that can send bulk emails, then I have a course on Udemy. I'll leave the link at the description and also at the first comment. If you have any question, just leave it in the comment section and I'm going to attend to that. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.